Hi everyone, welcome back to our Science 1 in Action. Today we're gonna learn more deeper about sound. Now, are you ready? Very good. Now let's start of learning deeper about sound. Now, as you have learned last time that sound is a form of energy produced by vibration of an object that ears can hear, like this can telephone. Now, if you look at it, the can connect by the string, and if you will talk, the string will create vibration and it will produce sound that travel going to another can. And this is the picture. Did you see that lines? There is a vibration happen, and then because of that vibration it will travel going to another can. That's why the ears can hear, and that is called sound waves. There is a weaving of the sound going to another can. Now today we are going to learn more about the type of sound elements. Now, what are those sound elements? Number one, sound by vibration. Number two, sound by medium contains matter. Number three, sound by body organ. Now, let's learn deeper about the sound by vibration. Sound by vibration, it is something that produces sound through vibration, like sound of the piano. Because of the string on the piano that vibrates, it will create sound. Next is sound of cymbals. By hitting cymbals, it will create the cymbals vibrate and produce sound. Ringing the alarm clock. By ringing the alarm clock, it will produce sound. Next is sound by contains matter. It is something that produces sound through medium contains matter, like the explosion of the volcano or sound of volcano. By explosion of the magma from the volcano, it creates sound. Sound of the ocean. We can hear sound from the ocean because of the waves of the water. Next is the sound of the thunder. Because of the thunder, we can hear sound. Next is sound by body organs. It is something that produces sound through your body organs or parts of your body, like this sound of crying. Because of the mouth of the baby open and cried, it will create sound. Have you heard the crying baby? Yes, it can hear because we can hear the sound very loud. Next is clapping your hands. Now by clapping our hands, it can produce sound. Do you wanna try? Okay, you will try. Clap your hands. Did you hear? Yes, right? So by clapping our hands, it will create sound. Next is stamping our feet. Now try to stamp your feet on the floor. What did you hear? Did you hear any sound? Yes, it is the sound of stamping of your feet. Now that's the sound of uh, through your body organs. Now let us review or let us remember, kids, that sound have an elements or have types of elements. First is sound by vibration. Number two, sound by contains matter. Very good. And number three, what's that? Sound by body organs. So we always remember these three types of sound elements. Now try to answer the following questions that I prepared. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Number one, which picture is an example of sound by vibration? The answer only A, B, C. A, volcano eruption or the picture of volcano. B, the picture of a boy stamping their feet. C, sound of piano. What is your answer? Very good. Exactly, sound of piano. Now, number two, which picture is an example of sound by body organs? A, crying baby. B, sound symbol. C, sound of thunder. What is your answer? That's correct. Letter A, crying baby. Next, number three. Which picture is an example of sound by medium contains matter? A, clapping. B, alarm. C, ocean waves. What is your answer? Very good. Exactly. Sound of the ocean because of waves. So you are excellent and you got everything. So I know that you understand everything because you can do the task to answer this question. So for your activity in your home, you are going to collect three pictures of things which and examples of each type of sound elements. And then put it or paste it in your notebook, and I will check that one. Okay? So that's all for today. So we hope that you will learn and you will enjoy watching on this video. So thank you for listening. Bye bye.